is a new spotlight. Is a new spotlight which is using a new lamp. A new lamp which is not completely new to the market. It's the Platinum 35 from Philips. And it has been already used in a couple of fixtures coming from competitors. What we have tried to do in this fixture is to improve to our best the optics. And so this fixture has, in this very small body housing, you have a zoom going from 7 degrees to 55 degrees. And thanks to this new lamp, which has a very short arc, we achieve with this optics a very even field, extremely even field. Actually, this unit is an alternative. It's an 800 watt lamp. It's an alternative in terms of light output to our Alpha 700 HP, which is another spotlight from Paky. But the Alpha 700 HP has two features which make a substantial difference. The first one is the zoom, which is much, the range of the zoom goes from 15 to 35, so it's much smaller. But the second one is that the Alpha 700 was designed to get the maximum output. So it has a sort of hotspot that you couldn't remove, but you have to add a frost filter to even the field, which is also reducing the output. In this unit, we don't need anything like that. The short arc and the new optics are creating an extremely even field, and thanks to the new lamp power efficiency, we get an extremely high luminosity or brightness. Bulb life is about 2000 hours, so it's much better than the lamp we are normally using. Yes, it's more stable. It's more stable than the other lamp. Another thing that we have in this fixture, another very, let's say, it's not peculiar, but let's say, we have tried to make this unit as silent as possible, because in our approach, this was meant to be used mainly in studios. So in an environment where you need a very lightweight, powerful, but not extremely powerful, and compact light. And with this huge zoom, you can have a nice beam even on a short throw. So in a small environment like a studio or a small theater, not a big theater, for the big theater we have our 1500 series, we needed a very silent unit. So we have been working a lot on the quietness of the fixture, which is always below 42 dB, always. And we can reduce it further when we work with the power safe mode. The third and very important feature of this unit is our function that we call the Dyna Q Creator, which is a function that is coming from our patented autofocus system. The zoom has an autofocus system which is following the zoom opening, so the unit stays in focus or out of focus as you have decided to do all along the throw. And thanks to this autofocus, we have also been able to create a special channel where we have built in, let's call them macros, but they're not really macros. They are a sort of algorithm that link together many functions, such as zoom, focus, gobo, colors. So at the end, you have dynamic cues of any kind, of any type. It's difficult to explain. It's very difficult because it's something visual, and we can show it in our demo room. But it's a tool that is meant to help the programmer. So you can program exclusive view, exclusive colors and combination with gobos and dynamic. It's not static. Normally the macros are static views, but these are dynamic. So they change, you open, you close. You have a sort of three-dimensional image. And it makes possible a very quick programming and a very innovative programming.
So kind of potted, it's on a DMX channel.
It's an extra DMX channel, which is combining many channels together. many channels together, and it is driven by the autofocus. So this is what allows, so you go out from, you open the beam, you close the beam, and whenever you do this, you add extra effects, you know, and color and gobbo, and it works with any color and any gobbo. So
next channel on like an LED pattern, where you'll get the white flick that goes up and down the back.
yeah, you know, normally, you know, macros are a combination of a certain gobbo with a certain color, with a certain, this is not, this is a combination of algorithms. So I want to move the zoom, I want to move the gobbo, I want to move a prism, I want to rotate a gobbo. Is a rotation, is not that gobbo, is a rotation, is a prism rotation, is a prism inversion, so it's a combination of different functions where you can add on your own gobbo, your own color, your own speed, you know, and it's basically infinite what you can create. And from this viewpoint, I think this is where the innovation stays, not in the lamp. Okay, the optics are interesting, but the innovation stays in this function, which is really unique, and it's possible only thanks to the, and there's no fixtures available in the market with this specific feature.